Not a whole lot to go off of here on the numbers here, but still a pretty strong quarter on the investment banking revenue side.
Yeah, and that's right. And that's really the bread and butter of Jefferies now. It's undergone a multi-year transition to really emphasize its business on the investment banking fee side rather than trading. That's more capital light. That's where they believe they can compete more with the JP Morgans and the Goldmans of the world. So it looks like from early look, we see fees that have increased on a sequential basis, which this is a business that's been under pressure for 18 to 24 months across advisory underwriting. So it's nice to see continued momentum. We're going to want to see, typically they'll comment on how clients are transacting, how sentiment is under the surface, and how that's going to feed into 2024 and 25 results.
Katherine, let me bring you into this conversation. A lot of the reasons why we pay attention to Jefferies, which is pretty small compared to some of the other big banks that we really fixate on, is because it provides somewhat of a tell for the likes of JP Morgan, Citi, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley. How much does it really indicate? Have you seen that bear out based on what Jefferies says and then what the big banks say a couple weeks later?
Absolutely. When you look at capital markets specifically, so sales and trading, they're in this release talking about the momentum that they've seen, and they've talked about some certainty that has come in 2024 that really they didn't see last year. And that's just in the form of volumes. There's a pickup, and a pickup also in M&A activity. So that's going to translate potentially to JP Morgan, Bank of America, other investment banking arms. So I do think that is what investors will be looking for. These words like momentum to continue, the market share gains that we've achieved compared to the prior quarter. They're expecting that the business will further mature, is what they're saying. So I do think that this is something that is going to be a positive outlook for what we can expect when banks start reporting next month.